Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to online school. On our previous lesson, your home task was to learn by heart some multi-word words. Let's remember them. Drop in, ring up, hang up, ring back, put through, take out, and take away. Now let's practice. We should read the sentences and choose the correct words. I need to fill my car. So we have two variants, up or out. I hope we should choose up. With petrol. Let's drop. What do you think? In or through? I think it is in. To grandma's on the way home. Okay, good idea. I really fancy a burger to take in or away. Of course, it is away. Please wait while I put you. And the correct answer is through to the ticket office. The line is busy. Can you ring away or back? We can say back in 15 minutes when it's free. Let's ring the museum up and ask about the opening hours. Hello, don't hang up. I'm free. And the last one, how much money can I take out from the ATM? The signal means that all the answers are correct. Well done! Today we continue talking about traveling. Before we start, I have one question for you. Let's imagine, if you could travel now, which country would you like to visit first? As you can see on the picture, there is a world map. Now, let's dream. In order to answer the question correctly, you can use these structures. If only I could go to Brazil. I wish I could go to Egypt. Or you can say, I hope I will go to the USA soon. The structures if only, I wish, and I hope are used where we wish something about the present or the future. So, to know something more about the structures, we can watch the video. Boys and girls, be ready to write down some examples while watching the video. Let's start.
Lesson 18. Wishes about present and future. It's winter in London, cold and wet. Sometimes I wish we didn't live here. If only we were in a warmer country. I hope we will go somewhere warm for a holiday soon. If we want to say that hypothetically we'd like a present or future situation to be different, or say that we regret a present or future situation, we can use wish with the past simple or past continuous, or could followed by the infinitive. Wish plus past simple continuous. Wish plus could do. Like in these examples. She wishes she could play squash like her brother. We wish we were going home now. Henry wishes he didn't have to do his homework. Wish can be replaced with if only. The sentence is then more emphatic. If only. Look at these. If only she could play squash like her brother. If only we were going home now. If only Henry didn't have to do his homework. If we want to express desire about the future, we can also use hope with present simple or will. Hope plus present simple, will. I hope you change your mind. She hopes she will be famous one day. Hope expresses a possible future, and it's more realistic than the future expressed by wish. Compare these sentences. If you say, I hope I will get a promotion this year, it means that you think there's a chance you will be offered a better job. But if you say, I wish I could get a promotion this year, it means that you doubt you will be offered a better job. She wishes she could play squash like her brother. If only we were going home now. I hope I will get a promotion this year.
Now, boys and girls, let's practice. Our task is to read the sentences and complete them with the correct answers. Let's start. I hope I digging the garden before it gets dark. Will finish, finished, would finish, had finished. So, what do you think? What is the correct answer? Of course, it is will finish. Next, I wish I 5 more people in my team. Have, had, have had, am having. The correct answer is had, because after the structure I wish, we should use the past simple form of the verb. Only the manager was more tolerant. An, if, the, and its. What do you think? What is the correct answer? You are right. It is if. Let's do the next sentence. She hopes the band in concert once more. Saw, could see, has seen, will see. As we remember, after the structure I hope or she hopes, we should use will. So the correct answer is will see. And the last sentence. We all wish petrol cheaper. Again, wish. After wish, we should use the past simple form of the verb. So the correct answer is was. Now, boys and girls, let's listen and repeat the sentences.
I hope I'll finish digging the garden before it gets dark.
I wish I had 5 more people in my team.
If only the manager was more tolerant.
She hopes she will see the band in concert once more.
We all wish petrol was cheaper.
Now, boys and girls, let's do one more exercise. Our task is to complete the sentences with these words. Wishes, wish, hopes, could, and wasn't. So let's start. I wish our teacher. I hope you still remember that after wish we should use the past simple form of the verb. We have could or wasn't. So strict is adjective, so we should use wasn't. Correct. I wish our teacher wasn't so strict. Dr. Henry, the patient will feel better after the operation. In this sentence, we have will, And we remember that will is used after hope. So, let's find, of course, the correct answer is hope. Dr. Henry hopes the patient will feel better after the operation. The customers, the shop accepted credit cards. In the second half of the sentence, we have the word accepted. It is the past simple form of the verb. That's why we should use wish or wishes. So customers is the plural form of the noun. That's why we should use wish. The customers wish the shop accepted credit cards. The DJ, the people were enjoying the music more. So the second half of the sentence is in past continuous. We should use wish, and DJ is the third person. That's why we should use wishes. And the last sentence. We wish we could, the last answer, understand more of their conversation. Now, my dear students, let's listen and repeat the sentences.
I wish our teacher wasn't so strict.
Dr. Henry hopes the patient will feel better after the operation.
The customers wish the shop accepted credit cards.
The DJ wishes the people were enjoying the music more.
We wish we could understand more of their conversation.
Well done. Let's continue. Now, my dear students, we're ready to do the last exercise for today. Our main task is to read the sentences and complete them with the correct words. But also, I want to mention that we're going to change the sentence using the structure I wish. So let's start. Joseph wants to see his friend. Joseph wishes his friend. So we can use saw, would see, or sees. What do you think? Which one is correct? Of course, it is saw. I want to have a bike. I wish a bike. Would have, has, or had. And the right answer is had. You want to be able to play the piano. You wish you play the piano. Can, could, or would. What do you think? Which one is correct? You are right. The correct answer is could. Stephanie wants to be young. Stephanie wishes she, and let's choose one, were, is, or could be. Of course, the correct answer is could be. Stephanie wishes she could be young. And the last sentence. The boys want to have more time. The boys wish they would have, had, or has. And of course, the right answer is had. As usual, let's listen and repeat the sentences.
Joseph wishes he saw his friend. I wish I had a bike. You wish you could play the piano. Stephanie wishes she was young. The boys wish they had more time.
Well done! My dear students, in conclusion, I want you to make as many sentences as possible using the structure I wish, I hope, and if only. You can see the examples on the picture. I wish I visited the Louvre to see the paintings. That sounds interesting. If only I could go to Brazil to watch the carnival. Dreams come true. I hope you will go soon. As a teacher, I have some wishes too. I wish you could use the structures which we have learned today in your speaking. If only you used them to improve your English. And I hope one day my wishes will come true. Thank you very much. The lesson is over. Goodbye.